Hey, it's a new wig. Yeah, get into it. This video is done in collaboration with Luvme Hair. They sent me this wig to try on. So this video will be an unboxing and try on video. Before I get started, subscribe to my channel, first of all, if you're not already. If you enjoy this type of content, I have a lot of wig videos on my channel, so go check those out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before I specifically go over the wig details, I definitely want to show y'all what comes in the packaging whenever you order a wig from Luvme Hair. Luvme has done an amazing job with their branding. You'll notice throughout the packaging that they put so much effort and attention into the little details. The packaging includes a little info card that tells you a bit more about the hair company, the wig, of course. All of the goodies come customized. There is a custom edge brush. There's a purple mesh bag that you can use to store your wig in. There is a custom elastic band with the Luvme logo. And they also put their logo on the rat tail comb, so you have a custom comb. The packaging also includes a set of name tags that you can use to put on your box in case you decide to store your wig in the box. They also give you a set of stocking wig caps and, of course, more information about the wig and the hair company. Alright, now let's get into the wig. This is the Put On and Go Realistic Glueless Yaki Straight Bob with Bangs Minimalist Lace Wig. So for those of you that like to go and search, that is exactly how the wig is listed on the website. And if you've been looking for a low maintenance wig, then you need to go ahead and add this one to your cart. I'm telling you right now, this is going to be the most low maintenance wig you ever purchase. And that's because of the very small, maybe about 1 square inch of lace on this unit. And what I love about Luvme Hair is that they pay attention to the details. Not only did they add lace to this wig with bangs, but they also plucked the part and bleached the knots on this little 1 square inch of lace. This wig comes with a glueless and breathable cap construction. There are 2 combs in the front. There is 1 comb in the back. There are adjustable straps and an adjustable elastic band. And the elastic band is sewn onto the cap, so you don't have to worry about it accidentally sliding out of those little slots that some other wigs have. This unit is made of 100% human hair. It is a Yaki texture, and it comes in 3 different colors and 3 different lengths. I have my wig in a natural black and a 14-inch. So I'm actually very excited to try this one because it's actually, I was going to say it's been a long time, but I don't remember the last time I tried a wig with a bang. And this one has lace in the parting. So this is a serious bag. This bang is so full and long. Oh my goodness. I gotta scoot it back some more. Okay. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that because this is a Yaki texture, and and I don't hate the texture, but I don't love it either. It does feel a little bit like dry. That's the best way I can describe it. Like, it feels a little dry. Like, it feels a little rough to the touch, and that is because it's a Yaki texture. I do think I might run the flat iron through it so I can smooth it out a little bit, but I want y'all to get a good look of the texture before I do that. It looks very much like relaxed hair. Actually, I don't know, the more I play with them, the more I like it. I don't know. I may or may not flat iron it. But let me show y'all what the hair looks like from the back. So I didn't get a chance to speak my thoughts on this wig in these clips because my son kept interrupting me. But I do want to mention that the texture of this wig is so beautiful. I was a bit thrown off by it at first just because it wasn't what I was used to. But as you can tell in person and on camera, it looks so much like my hair. It looks just like relaxed, natural hair. And I just think that just makes the wig even more realistic. And I even got a chance to play around with it a little bit. Even though there is only that small bit of lace, you can still style this wig in a couple of different styles. You can do like a little updo. You can wear it in a ponytail. You can wear it half up, half down. I did try all of those hairstyles. I just didn't do it on camera. But yeah, this is a really fun wig and it definitely did not disappoint. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical about this style, but the more I'm in it, the more it's growing on me. This literally looks like my hair. I also want to mention that I haven't experienced any shedding or tangling with this wig. Now that to me says a lot because I have not had a wig at all that didn't shed or tangle at least a little bit. But this one, as much as I played in it, and I don't know what it is, maybe it's a texture or something, but it did not shed nor tangle, like not one bit. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig, this video. It was very simple, very quick and easy, as you can see. And I think this is by far the easiest and the quickest glueless wig I have tried. Luvme Hair, they never miss. If you all are interested in checking this wig out, all of its info and the link will be down in the description box below. And I do have a coupon code for you guys. So if you're interested in purchasing any wigs from Luvme Hair, make sure you use my coupon code. Save yourself some coins and help support me in my collaboration so we can continue to give back to each other. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, okay? I mean, it doesn't hurt. And you can help support me even more by sharing this video with your friends or anybody you think will be interested in this video. And if you enjoy this type of content, definitely subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.